come towards us. Yeah, just wait. Wait. Good shot.
Well done, man.
We get him?
Yes, he's down.
He's down.
All right.
I don't know where. Come, quickly, wait. Where the hell is it?
Huh?
Where is it? Yeah. No, he's not dead though. I don't know where he shot him. Let's go around. Let's come around, Wayne.
He what?
Come around this way.
We get him?
Let's get it. Yeah, he's down. I'm going to show you where to shoot. Is there nobody behind there? Okay, come the arm, Jan. Just hold your rifle. I'm going to tell you where. Just hold it up. Don't wait. I'm going to point for you where to shoot. Just waiting for these guys. Right there.
And remember, the scope's going to be an inch and a half high, so aim a little low on that side.
Aim low?
A little low, inch and a half.
Go down. Come and sit down. Reload.
Reload.
Come forward. Now sit on your... Yeah, there where I showed you. Now shoot him.
Same spot?
Yes. I don't think he's quite done yet. You want to do it?
Or let him do it, I don't care.
What am I doing?
I'm not sure where you're shooting.
Can't do that.
Where are you telling me to shoot?
See the line of the ear here?
Oh, okay.
There.
Right there?
There.
All right, I can shoot there. And shoot low,
But
Tony?
go down so you get the angle right. You got to sit down.
Kneel down.
Kneel down.
Yeah, shoot just an inch low.
No?
Do it. No, go. Tony, just finish him there.
Right there, Terry, right?
Yeah. That's it. Well done, my friend.
Okay. Thanks,
You
Terry.
dropped him like no tomorrow.
Thanks. Whoa.
Congratulations, Wayne. Well
That's
done,
something,
Terry.
I'll tell you. Thank
Well
you,
done, Wayne.
Terry.
Good stuff.
Your first
Thanks for getting
elephant
us
hunt
there.
was one heck of an elephant hunt.
That was something. It
Well
was
done.
moving. We got it.
I mean,
All right.
we ran him for what, 2 hours?
Something like that, yeah.
We got off the truck, and I looked. It was 11:40. It's quarter to 1.
Yeah, 2 hours.
2 hours running. him.
Yeah, he had me out of gas there for a while.
Oh, you stayed up there. You did
I
fine.
was like, whoa.
The fat boy bringing
was-
up the back here.
He was
No,
moving.
you did good there. Nice
Wasn't
shot. Did you go shoot him in the ear?
Yeah, we're
Okay.
right where,
And
yeah.
he was moving.
Moving, yeah.
He's moving. I've messed that shot up before. I overlead. You hit it right where you should have hit him.
Really?
He
Yeah.
dropped like a stone.
Well,
Well done.
You were calm. You did the right job.
Well done.
Well done again.
hey, thanks, Terry. That was
Well done, Wayne. It's a nice elephant. Let's do it.
perfect.
It's 40, 18,
18. Baie well done.
18, around about 40. So
That's nice.
I think that bottom was a little bit shorter, but beautiful elephant.
So ideally, I wanted to shoot him right there.
I'm not sure where you hit him. Must have been here.
He went down.
But I don't know what it hit. Why was he down like this, yo?
No, it was a shot that
Did the trick.
either broke the spine or brain for him to go down like that.
Mm.
He went down like a stone.
Ideally there.
Yeah, that's what we were just talking, Andrew was just talking about.
What you expected?
Yeah, it was great. I was just looking at the shot. I was thinking, gosh, that's...
I didn't think you were going to shoot because I was telling you to wait. Maybe you didn't hear me with those earplugs. But
You said wait?
yeah,
Can I get you right over here?
Oh, I didn't hear you. It said wait.
no problem.
If you can come stand right here, Terry, on this side, and we can
You want your...
Well, I wouldn't say it's the perfect shot.
He went down, so that's what counts.
Maybe I had a little luck.
have to be.
Just put it on. Just get steady. Okay, he's gonna look at you. Okay, wait.
You want it off.
Wait. You want to do a front or you want to do a side? Which one do you feel more comfortable with?
Well, right now I've got him right in the front.
Top crease, you see that top line?
Yeah.
You need to shoot him right there if you want to shoot him a front or just wait.
You tell me what to do.
Wait. You want to shoot him a frontal, you see that top line
Yeah.
between the eyes right there?
Yeah.
Whenever you're ready.
Good shot. Hey, come with me. Come with me. Come with me. Come with me.
Leave the stick, leave the stick.
Come with me. Come with me. Hi, hi. Hi, hi. Well done. Congratulations. Shoot him for me in the chest. Just shoot him in the chest.
In,
You want
the sticks? Yeah, I do.
Okay, sticks. These are sticks. These are sticks.
In the chest.
But
Where
he's
in the
dead. He's
chest?
dead. Let's leave him.
His legs there.
Right between
Shoot
his
him
legs.
right between his legs. Wait, I'm going to put the
In the
sticks here.
crease.
See
Got
that
it.
crease in the middle there?
Yeah.
Wait, let me turn it.
Thanks.
Turn it right for. Just shoot him. Alright, just shoot him between the front legs. Okay, shoot him.
Wait. I'm just looking. Right between the front legs on that crease. Toward his belly more.
It's done. Well done. Congratulations.
I can't believe it.
Well
That
done,
was not
Susan.
expected here today.
Well done, Susan.
That was not expected.
Congratulations. Well done.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Thank you.
I can't believe it.
Look at him go.
Is he still? do
No,
I-
he was dead that first shot.
Really?
Yeah. Shot
Thank you very much. Thanks,
Mooi,
Chico. Ja, thank
Yes, maar
you.
zij toch gepost, hè?
Woo,
Well done, Susan.
that was amazing. I can't
Congratulations.
believe
It's a beautiful ball.
Wow, my
feel
heart is
good?
just racing. I feel great.
Perfect shot, that first one. He was
Was it
dead
okay?
the first one. We shot him the second one, just for insurance, but he was dead. Well done.
Awesome.
Congratulations.
Wow, you can see how old he is and how wrinkled. Lots of wrinkles.
Big feet.
Big feet. Yeah. I just can't believe, like, this is like his toenail, right?
Yeah, these are the toenails.
And they're just all to shreds.
Yeah.
You can tell how old he is and all this. Wow.
Oh, he's an old bull.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Fantastic.
Well done. We need to cut your tail so you can claim your elephant. Cut the tail. That's the way you claim your elephant.
What do you mean?
In the old days, they would cut the tail because then nobody can claim your elephant because you come back to it, you can show here's
Oh,
the
really?
tail.
Oh, that's cool. I didn't know that.
Yeah. All right. You can just start getting it right there.
You really want me to cut it?
Yeah. I just at least started. Want me to start it for you? Let me start it for you.
This is. Have you ever cut elephant skin before? I know you have. Oh,
All right, now you have to go around.
I hold it up.
That's your elephant there.
Victory! Thanks, Yuki. That's amazing. It's my elephant tail. Way cool. Here in Botswana on the Okavango Delta with Under Wild Skies. How's that, Mikey Baker?